Don't you just hate it when this happens?
Hey, this is Dave. My brother Rich and I renovate houses. Today we're going to show you how to keep this from happening and fixing it in 10 seconds or less. If you don't have the washer for this, I bet you have something in your house that can make this stop immediately. First thing you want to do to remedy this situation is make sure your water's turned off, then just unscrew the nozzle. And then what we're going to do is fix that problem right there. Is because inside here there should be a little washer, and of course this one got lost. And they sell them in the big box stores for $1.50 for a couple of them, and that's the perfect solution. But if you need to have your hose head not leak, we'll show you how to fix that right here and now. Because there's no washer inside this, we're going to create one, and create it with something you probably have laying around the house. What I've got here is just a simple rubber band. It's a little thicker rubber band. First time I tried this, I had a rubber band that was too thin, but find a thicker rubber band, and then all you do is put it on here like so, wrap it a couple times, push it down to the bottom, right there, all the way around, and then go ahead and screw your sprayer nozzle back on, and we'll go try it. There you go, without a drip, and it saves you a trip to the store. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, go ahead and shoot us a line, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got more videos like this for you on the way.